Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video, we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities, right, for multiple batches. So make sure to watch the complete video so that you can get a proper idea regarding the hiring process and all the required stuff. But before proceeding further in the video, guys, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed the channel till now, then make sure to subscribe the channel. We are coming up with many useful stuff for you, so the channel is going to be helpful for you, and to keep me motivated to make more such content for you, then guys, please do subscribe the channel and be a part of our Telegram community as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. So coming to our first opportunity, so as you can see, they are hiring for the role of graduate integration engineer, right? So this opportunity is from Atkins. It is a member of SNC Lavalin organization, is one of the world's leading consultancies operating in the built and natural environment. So the location that they're going to offer is Bangalore, right? Coming to the responsibilities, so here you can see, to perform this role successfully, the individual will be responsible for, but not limited to, the following: that create and maintain optimal integration solution, including data pipelines architecture, assemble large complex sets that meet functional non-functional business requirements, be highly self-motivated and ambitious, be able to work with limited supervision, be able to adapt to different cultures and working environments, to build rapport with customers, be able to build excellent working relationships with colleagues and clients, have experience of using written and spoken English within our business environment. Coming to the requirements, so they have specified that candidates who have passed BE, any branch, BTech, MCA during 2021, so this opportunity is for 2021 batch, with at least 70% in his academics. Well, here's a restriction of 70%. Academic experience in building innovating projects preferred. Candidate with 0 to 1 year of experience in the software industry. Knowledge of any programming languages, database, and SQL skills. Good aptitude, analytical and logical reasoning, good problem solving skills. What they do offer at Atkins is opportunity to work on various projects of various sizes, competitive salary, group insurance, employee assistant program, right? So if you're interested in this opportunity, the link is provided in the description itself. Make sure to apply. Coming to our next opportunity, so again, this is for freshers. So this opportunity is from Siemens. So Siemens Healthy Years Off Campus Freshers Hiring Challenge it is, right? So it is going to be open at 12th of November and it will be closed at 14th of November. So make sure to register for it. The duration is going to be 1 hour. So it is a leading global, talking about the company, so it is a leading global medical technology company with over 66,000 dedicated colleagues in over 70 countries who are driven to shape the future of healthcare. This off-campus fresher hiring challenge is a unique opportunity to join the healthcare revolution. Coming to the eligibility criteria, so having from 0 up to 1 year of industry experience in the software development role. Freshers from the 20 and 21 batches are eligible. Bachelor's or master's degree in engineering or equivalent field, knowing either of C#, C++, or Java programming language. Challenge format, so there will be 10 MCQs, 2 programming questions. Right, so procurement process will be 1 round each of technical, managerial, and HR related discussion for the candidates who successfully clear this challenge. So open position is for software development is experience needed 0 to 1 year. Job location is going to be Bangalore. Who we are looking for. So we are in search of bright minds who are excited to bring new ideas to life and drive our success in the world of diagnostic imaging and molecular imaging. Here they have specified knowledge and capabilities you would need as well, that excellent problem solving skills, good experiential knowledge of either of C#, C++, or Java, good understanding of object oriented principle and associated paradigms, good understanding of inter-process communication, multi-threading, and data structure, ability to clear and confidently express thoughts and intention. For the company as well, they have mentioned certain things. You can just go through it. Well, coming to our next opportunity, so that is the coding challenge for women. Amazon coding challenge for women it is. So let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So women developers across 10 India having 6 months plus experience. So if you are someone having 6 months plus experience, you can apply for this opportunity. So most probably this opportunity is for Freshers only having some 6 months plus experience, that is for 20 as well as 21 batch. Even though if you're from some other batch and having 20, like having 6 months of experience, you can apply for it. Coding challenge format, they have specified there will be 2 programming questions to be solved in 3 hours. Diversity, equity, and inclusion at Amazon. Regarding this, they have mentioned certain things as well. Prizes to be won. So first runner-up is going to win 15,000. Right, winner will be getting 25,000, and second runner-up prizes worth rupees INR 10,000. Next top 15 candidates prizes worth INR 5,000. About company as well, they have mentioned certain things that when Amazon.com launched in 1995, it was with the mission to be Earth's most customer-centric company. And you also hear us say that at Amazon, it's always day one, right? So yeah, certain other things has also been provided, like a sample challenge, and everything frequently asked questions has been given in case you are having any doubt or something. You can just visit through these questions, like as how do I participate in the challenge, can we take up the challenge from mobile platform, and certain other questions as well that must be running in your mind. You can just clear your doubts. Next opportunity, well, this is not for fresher, but to update you about these kind of opportunities as well, I have introduced this one. So Clever Tap front-end engineer hiring challenge. It is, so if you are having at least 1 year of experience, then you are eligible for this opportunity. Clever Tap is building a team of smart, driven, and helpful people whose goal is to assist mobile marketers and continuously improve themselves while they are at it. That's not to say they do not make time for play and even team building activities during the week. So coming to the eligibility criteria, so for junior front-end engineer role, they have mentioned that you need a year of experience from 1 to 4 years, and for senior front-end engineer role, what you need is, so this is what the eligibility criteria has been mentioned. Now coming to the challenge format, so there will be 22 MCQs as specified by them. So front-end engineer, you can see experience 1 to 8 years, and location is going to be Mumbai. Certain other things they have provided is like key responsibilities, like participating in team meetings, communicating clearly, work on front-end frameworks such as SPA framework, preferably write codes as per the specification to achieve the stated output that integrates seamlessly with the interfacing application, translate UI UX design frameworks, design frames to programming specification. Key requirements they've specified is 1 to 8 years of experience in front-end development. Applicant with 1+ year relevant experience must be proficient in React, Vue.js, a deep understanding of JavaScript, CSS, HTML5, understanding of SPA framework, preferably Vue. Measure of success, reporting relationships, certain other relevant points they have provided. You can just go through them to get a proper idea, right? Like what is working at Clever Tape, like why you should join the company, and certain other things has been given. So this has been opened at 21st of October, and it is going to be closed at 14th of November. So if you are having the relevant experience that they have asked for, then make sure to do participate in this challenge. Well, these were some of the hiring opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful, and if you know someone who is eligible for these opportunities, make sure to share the video among them, because our main agenda of recording these videos, providing you all this stuff, is that so that we can let you know about the companies which are hiring, and somehow we can be a part of your placement journey. And so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Keep learning, keep preparing. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Bye bye.